If you guys are looking for a great Father's Day or birthday gift for a golf enthusiast in your life, then you guys definitely need to check out this golf practice net right here. These are all the things that it comes with. Everything came nicely packaged in the box. My husband was really happy when I gave this to him, and he thought it was a really great gift, and he loved the fact that we could practice right there in our own backyard. The tent took about 10 minutes to assemble. It wasn't too hard. Definitely makes it easier if you have two people assembling it. You just insert the rods through, and that just makes the base of the tent. I love that the 10x7 frame of this tent gives you enough coverage so you don't have to worry that your balls are going to be flying into your neighbor's yard. It comes with a 2-in-1 turf mat with a fairway and a rough texture as well, so you get to practice all your shots on different grass. It has a nice non-slip base which will stay secure while you're swinging. This kit also comes with balls and extra tees, and there's a special place to keep the balls. Came with stakes as well to keep the tent securely in place. This is such a great way to practice your golf skills and to get a couple swings after work or anytime you just want to do something fun. And the beauty of it is you just set it up once and it's always there, so you don't need to drive anywhere or go to the golf range. It's big enough for serious practice and durable enough for daily use. These special pockets right here help you to see if you're shooting the ball high or if you need to aim lower. So if you're looking to get better shots at the range, then this is such a great way to practice at home without needing to go anywhere. We highly recommend it.